What if I told you there are 10 secret garden hacks that can double your harvest, save you money, and make your raised beds the envy of the neighborhood? Stick around, because you won't believe number 7. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tips will save you time, money, and effort. So grab your gloves and let's dive in. Let's start with the foundation weeds. They can ruin your garden, but there's a simple, nearly free fix: cardboard. Before adding soil, lay down overlapping sheets of plain brown cardboard at the bottom of your raised bed. This suffocates weeds and grass, giving your garden a clean slate. Unlike plastic, cardboard breaks down naturally, adding organic matter to your soil. It's a weed barrier that turns into food for your plants. This one step saves you hours of weeding all season. Just remove any tape from your boxes, lay them flat, and you're set. It's eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and incredibly effective. A little prep now means less work and more harvest later. Start your raised bed right, and you'll thank yourself all season. With your weed barrier down, it's time for the most important part: soil. The secret? A custom blend: 60% topsoil, 30% compost, 10% perlite. Topsoil gives structure, compost feeds your plants, and perlite keeps things light and drains excess water. This mix creates the perfect environment for roots: nutrient-rich, airy, and moisture-balanced. Your plants will grow faster, stronger, and produce more. Don't cut corners here. Invest in your soil and you'll see the results. Better soil means fewer pests, healthier plants, and tastier veggies. Think of it as building a living ecosystem, not just filling a box. A little extra effort now pays off with a bigger, better harvest. Great gardens start with great soil. Make yours count. Watering can be tricky, but here's a hack that makes it effortless: a DIY self-watering system using a plastic bottle. Poke small holes in a clean bottle, bury it next to your plants with the neck above the soil, and fill it with water. The water seeps out slowly, delivering moisture right to the roots. This saves water, prevents disease, and encourages deep root growth. It's perfect for busy days or when you're away for the weekend. Less evaporation, fewer weeds, and healthier plants. Turn trash into a garden treasure with this simple trick. It's efficient, eco-friendly, and keeps your garden thriving. Smart watering means less work and better results. Pests can devastate your garden, but you don't need chemicals, just smart planting. Marigolds and garlic are natural defenders. Marigolds repel nematodes and whiteflies. Garlic deters aphids and snails. Interplant them among your veggies for a fragrant, beautiful pest barrier. At season's end, you even get to harvest the garlic. Mix up your plantings. Don't just plant rows of the same crop. A diverse garden confuses pests and attracts beneficial insects. Nature's solutions are often the best, and they're free. Build a resilient, self-sustaining ecosystem right in your raised bed. Let your garden protect itself naturally. Space is precious in raised beds, so grow up, not out. Make a sturdy trellis for just a few dollars using wire garden fences and zip ties from the dollar store. Stand 2 panels in an A-frame, secure with zip ties, and push the legs deep into the soil. Perfect for cucumbers, peas, or beans. Plants climb, air circulates, and harvesting is a breeze. The open grid supports tendrils and keeps veggies off the ground. It's stable, charming, and incredibly affordable. No more hunting for hidden cucumbers under leaves. Creativity and resourcefulness go a long way in the garden. Maximize your harvest and add handmade charm. Simple, effective, and budget-friendly. Need a quick nutrient boost? Use coffee grounds and banana peels. Coffee grounds add nitrogen for leafy growth. Banana peels provide potassium for strong, healthy plants. Work coffee grounds into the topsoil and bury chopped banana peels near roots. Or make banana peel tea to water your plants. It's not a replacement for full compost, but it's a great mid-season pick-me-up. Turn kitchen scraps into free plant food. Reduce waste and feed your garden at the same time. Simple, sustainable, and effective. Want to save time and effort? Mulch is your best friend. Spread a 2-3-inch layer of straw, leaves, or wood chips over your soil. Mulch conserves water, suppresses weeds, and keeps soil cool. You'll water less and weed even less. As mulch breaks down, it feeds your soil and improves structure. It's the ultimate low-maintenance hack. One step now saves hours later. Healthier plants, fewer chores, and a more beautiful garden. Mulch is the secret to a thriving, easy-care raised bed. Maximize your raised bed by intercropping. Pair tall, slow growers with fast, short crops. Plant lettuce or radishes around young tomatoes. Harvest them before the tomatoes need the space. Layer your garden in space and time for multiple harvests. Try carrots with peppers or beans with squash. It's efficient, clever, and doubles your yield. A little planning goes a long way. Get more food from every inch of your garden. Struggling with blossom end rot on tomatoes? It's usually a calcium deficiency. Save your eggshells, rinse, dry, and crush them into a fine powder. Add a tablespoon to planting holes or sprinkle around established plants. Eggshells provide slow-release calcium, preventing rot and strengthening fruit. It's free, natural, and keeps kitchen waste out of the trash. Simple prep, big results. Give your plants what they need, the natural way. Healthy fruit starts with healthy roots. Want a longer growing season? Build a mini greenhouse for about $10. Use flexible PVC pipe to make hoops over your bed, then drape clear plastic sheeting on top. Secure the plastic with clamps or rocks. This tunnel traps heat, protects from frost, and extends your harvest by weeks. Plant earlier in spring and harvest later into fall. It's a small investment for a big payoff. More time to grow, more food on your table. Push the limits of your climate with this simple hack. There you have it. 10 hacks for a more productive, joyful raised bed garden. Which tip will you try first? Or do you have a favorite hack of your own? Share in the comments. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening secrets. Thanks for joining me in the garden today. Until next time, happy gardening!